Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you on how to stop Windows 11 from going into sleep mode. By default, most Windows 11 PC goes into sleep mode after a certain period of inactivity to save the battery power. If you want to keep your PC always awake or don't want to use the sleep mode, here is how to do it. First, right click on the start button and select settings here. Then select system in the left and on the right click on power and battery. Then click on screen and sleep. Here you will see on battery. If your PC uses a battery, then you will see this option also. Otherwise you will not see this option. On battery power, put my device to sleep after. Here click on the drop down menu and select none, ever. And when plugged in, put my device to sleep after. Here also choose none, never. That's it.